stampers and paper crafters. This is Renee Daly from stampknowhow.com, and today I have a special sneak peek for you. I got my pre-order the other day from our new annual catalog that's coming out in May. It's going to be a lot of fun. There's a lot of nice stuff in there. I'm going to show you a preview of some of the products that you can order. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start off with our new in color offerings that are coming out. We have lots of new colors. We have Evening Evergreen, this lovely soft succulent, polished pink, fresh freesia, and pale papaya. So those are the 5 new in colors, and I think they're absolutely fabulous. They did a good job picking out what would fill in some of the blank spaces in our color palette. So I think you're really going to enjoy these, and we have a lot of new in color products that go along with these. They have the markers and of course the inks that will go with those. Those are the Stampin' Right markers, but we also have an assortment of Stampin' Blends also in those colors. So this is nice. We'll be able to add more colors for coloring, which is really, really great. So we have 2 choices there for coloring. We'll have the regular non-alcohol markers and the alcohol markers, which I'm really excited about. And also in our in color, besides the paper, there's also some ribbons that are just absolutely gorgeous. This one's in the pale papaya. And there's the soft succulent. And the fresh freesia. And then this is the polished pink. And the Evening Evergreen. Just super gorgeous, like satin trimmed ribbon. It's a little bit sheer too, so it's going to be beautiful on your projects. I'm sure you're going to love those. And also with the in color, we also have the pale papaya. This is like a linen type ribbon. It's very soft. I'm sure it's going to tie very nicely into bows and things like that. And also the other ribbon I got was this. It's like a taffeta ribbon. It's in smoky slate. It's a little bit wider. This is about I think it's an inch. But I'm not sure. I think it's an inch. So they put it on there. Oh no, this is 7/8. 7/8 inch wide. It's for the smoky slate. And then along on the embellishments, some of the embellishments that I've got, we have these new genial gems, really, really pretty. We also have in-color jewels to go with the in-color offering, and I also got the silver and clear epoxy essentials. So they're like little raindrops and little diamonds, really, really pretty. And these I'm really super excited about. These are the Bumblebee Trinkets. I don't know if I can show you one up close. It's like a really, really beautiful golden little bumblebee. Sorry. So those are the Bumblebee Trinkets. And also I picked up these. These are called the Loose Flower Flourishes. And they come in those beautiful in colors with the pale papaya, the fresh freesia, and the polished pink. And there's 2 different sizes in there. There's a large one and a smaller one. So we're going to have some fun with those too. Very, very pretty. And also on the in colors, they are offering these Ombre gift bags. I looked at these yet, but they come in all the beautiful in colors. They're, of course, an ombre pattern. Get the fresh freesia and pale papaya, soft succulent, and the evening evergreen. Those are going to be fun for some little gift bags. I think they give you 20 in there. I did pick up a punch as well. This is the Elegant Tag Punch. This is part of a larger suite of products. I'll be showing you shortly. It's going to be fun to play with. And then as far as the trims go, there's a couple offerings that I got early. It's the Simply Elegant Trim, which comes in silver and gold. And then this is a 5-pack of Baker's Twine Essentials. So we even have very vanilla in there, which we have not had before, which is really nice. So you've got some of the basic colors. Very, very nice. This is the Color and Contour photopolymer set. This is also part of a larger suite, and I'll include the information in the description for the video. And then this is the Elegantly Said stamp set. This goes along with that punch I just showed you. This is the Cling stamp set. This is the Beauty of Friendship. This is a very nice, simple nature set. It's a 2-step stamp as well. It's also in photopolymer, so it makes it easy to line up. Then I picked up the Nature's Textures, which is going to be really fun to play with. There's some really neat things to add some dimension to your projects there, from the bricks to the weave, the burlappy thing there. So very cool. This is one that I'm really excited about. This is the Pansy Patch. This also comes from a larger suite. Has several layers for your stamps, which is going to be really cool. A lot of nice sentiments to use for your cards. I'm sure that's going to come in handy. And this one's really fun. This is called the Party Puffins stamp set. Very cute for birthdays and all those special occasions. There's some dies I want to share as well. These are the Scallop contour dies, and they go along with the first stamp set that I shared with you all. Lots of different layers you could stack on one another. There's an edgelet included in this. Very, very nice die set. And these are the Pansy dies that go along with that larger suite for the Pansy stamp set. Lots of little pieces in here that you can be layered on one another. There's leaves and just the petals, and you could cut those in different colors. And I'm going to be playing with this shortly, so you'll be seeing some things on my blog with that. And I also picked up these nice little, they're basic borders dies. There's 5 in the set, but they're perfect for the edges of your cards. And add a little interest with the stitch detail, and should be very fun to play with too. You can use that with just about any stamp set. Another standalone item that they had this time around, I was really excited about this little, I think it's called the Taylormade Tags. So there's quite a few dies in here. There's 8 different tag types, but then you also get the reinforcements. You can cut from paper to cover up the hole. Very cool. I'm gonna have some fun playing with that one. A lot of my customers know that I like to make tags. It's definitely something fun I like to do around, especially Christmas time. And then my last die set that I got, this was the Beautiful Trees dies that goes along with the Trees stamp set that I showed earlier. Just some real basic, like the trunk, and you get the leaves thing here. You could cut out the whole thing with that. Some little birds and sentiment boxes. Very cool. I also want to share with you some of the designer series paper that I got. This one I've already used a little bit out of. This is the Pattern Party Designer Series paper, and this is quite a stack of paper. This is going to be a hostess offering in the new catalog, and you're going to get 48 sheets. This is an incredible deal for a hostess gift. But one side is like super bright colors, and then you see like the other side is in black and white. So you're going to get quite a few of the same pattern. I think it's 4 of each. And lovely colors. This is like one of my favorite black and whites. This is really pretty. And then they have beautiful stripes, perfect for birthdays, or just really, really fun cards. And then on the flip side, there's a floral. Some more fun stripes. Just the colors are just amazing in this pack. And I know everybody's going to want to find a way to get their hands on this one. Some classic polka dots. Look at those beautiful hearts. Oh, these are really nice. Perfect for any occasion. Nice little Valentine's card. And there's the first one that I had there. This one has leaves on the other side. Fun animal print. Wouldn't that just be really nice as like a shirt, cool shirt or something? Maybe make a really fun card. I think that's very neat. There's something with some texture. Kind of looks like stitching. Got a beautiful stripe. And some really fine dots there. Really beautiful floral. Love Granny Apple Green. That's just gorgeous. Some more dots. You have like a blue floral. This has a really nice check pattern on the back. And then this beautiful roses with the gingham. And then last but not least, we got the beautiful, I guess it's like a mint macaron, or it might even be that new soft succulent color. I'm not sure which. And then a nice little check on the back. That would look really pretty with the suited dies, the well-suited dies. This next pack of paper is called The Beauty of the Earth. And this goes along with those gorgeous, beautiful trees dies. And there's a lot of really, really pretty watercolor type paper in here. Beautiful wood grain. Perfect for the tree trunks. And look at this. This is just amazing. And make some beautiful cards with that. Very fall looking. Got some beautiful watercolor trees on the back of that. Again, this kind of reminds me of fall too. A little Thanksgiving card. Ooh, look at the clouds. That's really nice. Like that watercolor wash. There's some beautiful green leaves. And this is just beautiful for the winter. Make some Christmas cards with that one. It's a really versatile pack of paper here. Love this. Gorgeous fall colors. This is like one of my favorites with all the purples in there. Gorgeous. Then you have some other little details you could use. And just a simple green watercolor wash on the back. And the last designer series paper pack that I got was the Pansy Petals designer series paper. Some beautiful, beautiful florals. Look at this. Oh, like that. Bright and cheery. Almost looks like little clovers. And nice little leaves. These coordinate with the dies, I believe, in the die set. Nice little gingham. Look at that. Look at those beautiful colors. Oh, another gingham. I like that. The freesia color. And some fun dots. Some more florals. Basic small. like a striped background. That's really pretty. Very simple but beautiful. We got another gingham. So it's lots of fun gingham in there if you really like gingham. Boy, you really. Very nice. I like that. It's the first time I've really looked through that one. Hope you enjoyed today's video, a little sneak peek of what's coming in the new annual catalog. Make sure to subscribe, and we'll be talking to you real soon. Make sure to check out all those beautiful in colors we have. It's going to really brighten up our palette with those. They're really gorgeous. So have a fantastic day. Thanks.